Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to AutoFit text in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see text we have. So we are going to use AutoFit feature. So we are going to fit this text in column. Now select and then you see we are in home and then you see format. So click on it. Now you see auto fit column width. Now select. Now you see text is auto fit in column. If you want to apply this on multiple columns or cells, now select like this. Again go to format. Again you see auto fit column width. So click on it. Now you see apply on multiple cells. So in this way you can auto fit your text in column width. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.